Hey, so this is Pretty Pink 2102. In this video I have a camera haul and unboxing. First of all, I got a camera from Temu. I got this right here, the pink one, and it's currently charging. Hold on. I was way too excited, and it actually works and it has pretty good quality. And then today I bought this Panasonic FP8 black Lumix, and can't wait to start using it for my vlogging and my videos. This is how it looks like. It has 12 megapixels. I have one right like this brand, but like it's old and the battery is just like really bad. It's all like lifted up, and so it's very old. It also like I have to charge the battery all the time and recharge the battery, and I can't wait to start using this for my videos. And I just wanted to show you. I think it was a pretty good deal. I've been looking for a camera, and this is it. And here's a operating manual. I think I do have an SD card, I believe. And then I'm gonna charge this, and I'm gonna be making some videos. I'm really excited. I just wanted to tell you guys that, and more videos to come. So yeah, can't wait to try my new camera, because like my old camera has the same charger and it doesn't really work, and the battery, as I said before, it gets heated pretty bad and it doesn't work that well. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. So hit that like button and subscribe and comment, and let me know what videos you want to see in my next videos, and I'll see you guys later.